It's been 3 years since DTT broadcasting was launched, and its penetration rate has been going up steadily. With the completion of 8 more fill-in transmitting stations, people in areas such as Stanley, Yuen Long, Cheung Chau, Sheko, and Tai O will all have access to digital broadcasting by the end of this week. The Commerce and Economic Development Bureau says that means up to 90% of Hong Kong's population, or about 6.2 million people, will be able to receive DTT signals. But according to a government survey conducted in September, only about 1.4 million households in Hong Kong have integrated digital TV sets to enjoy DTT services.
The habit of watching TV changes the past few years. People start watch the TV from the internet instead of from the real-time broadcast. Because most of the people who watch the TV broadcast, they are some kind of older people, maybe a housewife, so they do not have much appreciation about the picture quality or the sound quality of the program. So therefore, they don't have the intention to change the TV. As long as they need to pay, they don't want to pay, so they don't want to change the TV.
Lee urged the government to encourage people to switch to digital television by providing them with cash incentives. Priscilla Ng, TVB News.
A fire broke out.